My name is Terry Highfield, and I am the SmartLab Facilitator here at McAuliffe. My role is to act kind of as more than just a teacher. I'm more like a guide to help the kids find the answers to the questions that they have, help them when they have questions, help them learn how to ask effective questions as they're kind of trying to solve different problems and challenges in the SmartLab. SmartLab is put out by Creative Learning Systems and is designed to provide a huge variety of opportunities for kids within the realm of STEM. Everything from robotics to digital communications to engineering and structural design and kind of all things connected to STEM. It's really neat because it's set up so that kids from kindergarten age all the way up through our oldest learners at 8th grade here at school can all have something to learn about. Kids today, we're using Code and Go Colby, which is just a little blue mouse robot, all the way up to Lego EV3s, where the kids, it's very wide open and the kids can have total creative control over what they're building and designing. Math, there's a lot of measurement involved when we're using spheros. They're measuring degrees a lot and they're measuring time quite a bit so they can get their sphero to accomplish the goal that they need it to accomplish. There's a lot of reading involved, so in the SmartLab, every time the kids get to a new unit, there's a launcher that they have to read, and it has 4 different tabs that kind of give them the background knowledge that they need. It teaches them some science concepts, or it teaches them some things about technology that are essential for them to be able to be successful with their project. There's also quite a bit of work that we do with Google Docs and Google Slides, Google Sheets, where the kids are recording the new learnings that they're uncovering and kind of documenting their journey, and then kind of showing what problem-solving skills they use and kind of what solutions they came up with to the challenges that they're faced. People in the community have already helped so much through the Success Foundation. We had previous grants from the Success Foundation for iPads that we use in the lab right now, for Lego WeDos, which are another robotics kit. Also to buy some drones, so in the springtime we'll be able to head back outside and use the drones. A lot of local businesses and a lot of community members donate to the Success Foundation, so I think anytime people can do the Ride for Success in the fall, make any kind of donations, I think that really helps out all the schools in Greeley.